long back from the one and the only Review Gamer. In the last episode of Review Gamer, we're going to be doing something new. We're later episode of Review Gamer, we'll be doing reviews on Disney Infinity, Skylanders, movie reviews, Descendants, Paw Patrol, Sophia the First, and many more. On a later episode of Review Gamer, and we actually will have a special edition episode, I think, from the Mooses, from Moose Toys, the Trash Pack. But on this episode of Review Gamer, we'll be doing the Kreo Cityville Invasion Lego set. It includes 150 pieces. It is Sonic motion compatible. Kreo, the nice Kreo logo on the top of the right hand corner, and the Cityville Invasion logo on the left hand corner. And here includes 4 characters that come inside the pack. And it does include 150 pieces. It is recommended. It is the 5.05, the 5.0.5 Command Center. Fantasy Scene. That's by Zynga and Hasbro. Cityville is a game, but it's also Lego set now, and they're also Cityville Monopoly. And back here. Kreo, Cityville Invasion, Sonic motion compatible, includes 1 motion brick. Build and defend your world of Kreo, Cityville Invasion. This is the playset. Let's open this up and see what you get inside. Tape. Hold up, lay that down. Got it. Got it. And push it down. Right there, and 1 right here. Now, should open right up. So here we get inside. Pack of Lego bricks. Another 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 pack. Another pack. And stickers. And the instruction manual on how to build it. That's how include step-by-step instructions. Yep, step-by-step instructions. Tells you how to build a truck part first and cool stuff. It has exactly 49 steps. The back here includes what pieces are which. They're also available as the skyscraper Manhattan, the bank, the fire station, dragon attack, a hideout, and Manhattan's prison break, and more. And there might be more that's not listed in the back here. So this is Cityville. Invasion. The SOS Command Center. Kind of weird the way they have an instruction manual set up. Anyway, that's that. And thank you for watching Friend 1. And the only Review Gamer. On a later episode of Review Gamer, we talk about Disney Infinity. Skylanders, Disney's Descendants, Nickelodeon's Paw Patrol, Disney Jr., Sophia the First, and we're also going to be talking about Lego. In a later episode of Review Gamer, we're going to be doing some movie reviews and the Trash Pack. And if you're wondering what the Trash Pack is, find out on the episode of the Trash Pack. Trash Pack is sold at Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us, and many more. Now Paw Patrol is sold at Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walmart, Target, and many more. Movies sold at, well, basically anywhere that sells movies. The Disney Infinity Star Pack is available at Toys R Us, Target, and Walmart, and Dollar General. Santa's Trap Team Star Pack is available at Walmart, Toys R Us, and Target. Sophia the First available at Dollar Tree, and many more. Thank you for watching Friend 1 and the only Review Gamer. Please tune in on this episode of Review Gamer. We did the unboxing of Kreo Cityville Invasion. which instead of box to get Lego pieces. Tons of Lego pieces. This much. Thank you for watching for the one and the only Review Gamer.